You in here? Are you over there by the drum kit? No. MD, I'm coming for you. MD, I'm coming for you. There he is. Myers, put him down. I want a classic duel between you and I. Right now. Put him down.
Mr. D, he got off every aspect of speech I have. I can't.
That's it. This is for MD's voice box. You bastard! Pay for this, paisano! You're done, Myers. But before I blow your brains out, time to find out who you really are. Marty Aker! How could you? Oh no! You think that you could kill me off that early in the story without me having a soup lot, could ya? But how? How? You were stabbed by Michael Myers. It's earlier in the movie. Oh, you thought that was me, but that was my twin brother, Artie. I had to get somebody kicked in order that I did. And now you down on the ground, Artie, and I'm gonna have to kill you. No, you're not. You're not! Oh! No! This can't be the end of Martin Rookie. Spit in it.
I have no stamina. I can't move. My voice back. My voice box. It's back to normal. I feel alive. Cocoon. Look at that big belly. Yeah, back to normal, eh? Come on up.
No.
Let's get out of here.
I can't.
Oh, cut the shit.
I'm dying.
You're joking.
No, I'm not actually. This isn't of age anymore. I'm really going on, MD. Just before you go, remember one thing. Bury my copy of Pearl Jam's verses into my grave. After all, daughter is my shit. Goodbye.
Mr. D! Fuck you. I'm getting out of here. Goodbye, my mate, Aker.
Stage now, channeling angels in the new age now. Hot summer days, rock and roll, the way you play for me at your show, and all the ways I got to know your pretty face and electric soul.
this last breakfast table in an otherwise